What's up, guys? This is Phillyswords RC. Today I got my Team Corally Shogun out. Success. First thing I would like to say is Happy New Year's. It's 2023. May my channel blow up this year. Today I'm just out here bashing this car. First bash of 2023. Now this ain't the first car I bashed in 2023, but this is the beginning. Let's get into it. Dang it. I'm gonna make this bash quick though. And the kid's still over there. This thing is a beast. Team Corally did their thing with this car. No, not down there. Oh, here we go. You on our feet. Yo, this thing is a monster. Why I keep going over there? Yeah, this thing is nice and stable, got good handling. Boom! I wonder, can I get that to jump back in the gate? Whoa. Try not to jump stuff, really. But I jumped my Crichton and broke it. It's not even that cold, really. I don't understand why, but it is what it is. Them tires ballooning they behind on.